I'll take the power line all the way over to avoid the traffic. Never did let the air out of these tires. Day before Hurricane Milton. Look what a nice day it is. It's so nice out. Who would think there's a huge hurricane coming? Hope there's another way. Remember if I gotta go up one more? I think I do. There's no traffic on this road anyway. Idiot. Crazy. It's so nice out. Day before one of the biggest hurricanes to hit Florida in over 100 years. And it's beautiful. What do they call that? The calm before the storm? They're out of gas. People rent U-Hauls. Well, hopefully I can fix their electrical problem. GoPro, stop recording.
A few moments later.
So they had one receptacle that the wire connection was like finger tight, so it shut off a whole bunch of other receptacles down the line. It was an easy fix, an easy find. Do a 0 to 60 time on this? It's clouding up a little bit now. I just felt a little bit of a sprinkle. Take the shortcut, stay off the main roads. Little KPX, it's a good bike. I like it. So we're gonna watch Hurricane Milton really, really closely. We have everything packed in, just in case we have to leave. We can make a last minute decision. We'll keep an eye on how fast the wind is. I'm not so worried about the surge where I am or flooding. Just the wind. So if it's under 120 miles per hour, we'll probably stay. Because our mobile home is rated for 150. That's code. And so are the carports and garage. 150 mile per hour rated. Traffic isn't as bad. I mean, still quite a bit, but power line shortcut. Then I'm worried if we leave and then when we're coming back, we might not be able to get back with trees down and all that. I do have my chainsaw in my Jeep. We'll see. I got a feeling that we're not going to have to leave, or I'm hoping we won't have to leave. The suspension's a lot nicer than Hawk. It's even better than Hawk 250 DLX. Back were they, birds? The riding position when you stand up on this is much better than the Hawk and the TBR and all that style frame. Handles the pump's nice. Yeah, I guess I'll go nose in. I gotta be able to get the generator out if needed though. I guess I'll turn it around then.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Take a quick ride to the hardware store. I need an octagon box, metal box to mount this ceiling fan I'm working on. Take the old reliable KPX 250. Better get some gas. Good thing the gas station's right next door. Whew, something stinks like dead or bad old food garbage. The last few times I come out through the power lines, there's this van with a blown out back window. Kind of looks like a, you know, free candy van. I don't know, he comes from all different directions. I believe the guy's probably camping in his van on here. Anyway, the other day, it's getting sugary. There he is, he's still over there. The other day we were coming out and he was stuck in this mud pit bad. I didn't have my Jeep or I'd pull him out. I had the wife's car. That mud pit. He was stuck. So next time it rains, whoever goes through the middle of that mud pit is gonna have a little bit of a surprise. Fuel lights flashing, hope we make it. I don't know why it stalls like that once in a while. Guess I should ride around that KOA campground so you guys see that one. Kind of small, no wooded lots. That's one of my old e-bikes. Guy lives down the road. His car hydrolocked in that last hurricane, going through one of them huge mud puddles. So he's in need of some kind of transportation. He works locally, so I worked out a deal with him. What the heck's going on around here? $309. We're just gonna do regular for you today, girl. Ooh, he ain't making it. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh man, he made it. Can't believe it. Busy. Oh my god. Very busy. Lock the ignition. Never did that, I don't think. I'll try it. Look at that beaut. Wonder if I should go to Rural King and get a metal box too. Just in case. Of course, Rural King may not even have it. We'll go anyway. I don't feel like going all the way down to Home Depot. I lost a bearing. Oh. Well, still quite a bit of cleanup stuff here. Wow. Wow, it looks like these are still pretty high. Last I heard, Brad was still flooding. And he's like the southeastern part of Brooksville, I believe. Oh, this is where this comes out. Huh. I don't think I've ever come out this road. I wanted to try it. Yeah, this KPX 250 runs good. No regrets getting this bike, I tell you that. Man, I miss having them all here, actually. Oh, look at all them chickies. Chick, chick. Score. Yeah, I missed the old mall. Jeez, even they got it. And this is only about a mile from my house. And we got nothing. That's a good excuse for a bike ride, isn't it? It's nice today. It's about 78 degrees, I think, right now. I know it's cold up north. You guys keep telling me. Got to go back to that in a few weeks. Woohoo! Boy, it's soupy. I don't even know if we can get around this anymore. Wow, that's tore up. I'm not going through that. I want to get a closer look at that creeper van. He's got his own waterfront property. No, I haven't let air out of my tires yet. That was a pretty quick boot there. Looks like Android Auto is trying to connect. Oh, now you can see my speedometer's off like 3 miles an hour. That's a pretty nice picture though. Rather see who's behind me though. It says I'm 12 foot above sea level, which is probably, that's pretty accurate. I don't have the wheel pressure sensors. Any ride's a good ride.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.